Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Steam region and country for your store and wallet. If you go on Steam and try buying something, you might get the option to change your country. But if you follow that step, it will just probably tell you to contact the Steam support, which isn't very helpful. So to fix this, you can use the VPN. Open your VPN and connect to Singapore or any other country that you prefer. Then close Steam completely by right-clicking on the Steam icon and the system tray by selecting Exit Steam. Make sure that you're still connected to the VPN and then reopen Steam and log in. Now, if you go to the game and try to buy it, you should see the selected country in your VPN as an available country. You can then update your billing address, which will let you pay with your card if the billing address is different. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.